Menteri Rangba Khubor Konrad ke Sangma ulapli padba yaka Ramakrishna Mission College Sohra kum kajing Sdang yaka Ramakrishna Mission College kaban Nyngkong haka Thaiñ chatei lammi ni. Hakani kajing alang ladan lang himong bala khamrang ba ajong ka Ramakrishna Mission bakentup ya uswami Achu Teshananda trustee jangka Ramakrishna Math and Mission Belur Math Swami Anuraganada nalor kinomi khmat naga Thaiñ. Ka college kan sedang shwa da ka arts but science streams but ka buru ya ka thong ban penpoi ya ka jingpuli ka ba kham shalor ka bala ban yo ban talang ka ba jamdor bat ka ba ajing mento ya ki Samla jong ka Sohra bat ki district Pamarjan. Ha ka jing ajing keren jong Menteri Rangba Khubor ulah kularu ya ka Ramakrishna Mission ya ka jing kershan ba pura jong ka sarkar da ka ba penbena ba en penbiang ya ka jing penyaso boarding shabaro ki school sarkar shimet deficit but ad hoc haka mission mode bat baya hijing haka jing penyaso surok bagi jaka puli kia kendo en penbet kat badang yat kapor.
Here they come and give you a demonstration. Idea.
And the students of Sohra for presenting such a wonderful song. And after this, we have an honor of RKM School Sohra by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. After this, presentation is to MLA Balajit. Of Swamiji. From our dignitaries present out here, that this is not just a standard school drill, but an integration of local cultural elements. Morning to perform in front of our dignitaries today, the play day. Play day with your prizes. Please give them a big hand. The little ones are today's limelight, the winners of the entire Play Day event.
Excuse me, sir.
Babul Suting, Shri Indrajit Das, Shri Minal Kanti Chakrabarti, Shri Alpai Nyngkong Lam, Shri Bansan K. Lingdo, Miss Alvarine Kharwanlam, Shri Carmel B. Dolling, Mark Lipar Lindem, Srimati Catherine Sweat, Shri Kulunwell Hinuta, Shri Serpai Lang Kharwanlang, Shri Foreman Kongji, Shri Bansiodor Dolling, Miss Labyang Lang Dingdo, Shri Wanbha Kupar Dakar, Shri Dayai Neskem Dakar, Shri Mewan Pinbhalang Tham. These are the alumni association members of the Ramakrishna Mission School, receiving a memento through the hands of our Chief Minister, sir. These are the members who had been very instrumental in making the centenary celebrations of the Ramakrishna Ashrama a complete fulfillment. They had been actively participating in helping out with the celebrations right from last year. Please give them all a big hand.